Ready for dictation. Exercise number 41. 5 seconds. Start. I have seen your notice in today's Star, and I should like to have details of your new master's reading series. I think such a series should make a wide appeal, and I wish you much success with it. Many of those who have seen my set of stories of the earth, sea, and sky speak highly of it, and several I know have bought similar sets for themselves. I am sorry you have allowed poster designing to go out of stock. Such a book, it seems to me, should have a large sale, as so many are now taking up the study of this subject. In view of this, may I suggest a new issue?